dangle. That's what I call this. Here's the menu. Croissants until sold out. Don't want that probably. Maybe not. I think I want an Earl Grey morning bun for sure. This one you gotta get the early. Of the show. It's because it's gonna be too. You're not gonna help me eat it, so I gotta like wait. What's the sugar? I wish I did my nails. Is it honey? It's honey. Look at that. Drink it. This is. I wish I could describe it. It smells good. It smells like there's a lot of cardamom in it. This is a cardamom and I think a type of tea. The Earl Grey. Yeah. Can I feel it? Mm-hmm. Okay, so it is very croissant-y. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna show you. And look at this. On this side. There's some layers to it. It's good. It's good. Is it too sweet? No. It's like a perfect sweet? It's not too sweet because it's not cardamom. You bite into the cardamom. Oh, interesting. It's strong. But that's the type of like, so there's a ton of flavor at least in the tea. Yeah. Yes, kind of. Let me try. Like actually try for the flavor. You have to hold it. Pretty. You touch it. Pretty. This one is like a half. And then this one is growing really big, dude. Look how like far it's gone. The variegated here. This one has like a half white on that one. And then this is like the prettiest leaf. It is really I gave pretty. Mimi all the pretty leaves and hers is like really nice now. This is so pretty. Hold on. Oh, this is really moody lighting. I tell you what, one thing I've gone just make more sense now that I've practiced them. Sometimes because she's like, are you anxious? Are you okay? And I'm like, no, I'm just holding my breath to film. She's like, oh.
my sister. I think they're blue peonies. More watermelon practices. The beginning of a watercolor starry night that I realized it's a lot of work to do. I will finish it, perhaps.
Move that over more. Blueberry and corn.
Blueberry corn?
Yeah, the one that you were looking
yeah,
at.
that thing looked really good.
You should try some.
It was buttermilk, blueberry, cornbread.
It's good.
I gotta try.
I was hoping you wanted to. It's good.
That's delicious. A little bit of
Oh my gosh, I like it.
it's got a little bit of a weird aftertaste, but it's not bad. You know what I mean?
I know what you mean. They're selling lactate for $1.
I know, I saw that.
That's so funny.
I saw that. That'd be so fun.